Welcome to the step-by-step guide on creating your own static website. Whether you're a beginner or an enthusiast, this tutorial is for you. This tutorial caters to individuals of all levels, providing a comprehensive, easy-to-follow guide on creating a static website. Expect practical tips and insights as we walk through each step of building a static website. By following this tutorial, you'll gain hands-on experience and have a fully functional site by the end. Feel free to ask questions, seek clarification, and engage with the community for an interactive learning experience. Absolutely. This tutorial is tailored for beginners, guiding you through the process with clear explanations and examples. By the end, you'll have a fully functional static website and a solid foundation in web development concepts. Embark on the journey to build your own static website with confidence. Follow the steps, ask questions, and enjoy the process.